So today is going to be a how-to guide on how to remove adhesive stickers from products. So maybe if you want to resell them, people won't know how much you actually paid for them. So I'll briefly tell you how I do it, and then at the end of the video, I will show you an example of me actually doing it. So first off, this is just a Noyatron product that I have. It's got a plastic covering, and it's got one of these clearance stickers on it, $6.97. I want to be able to sell this on Amazon, not this one, but other ones. I want to be able to sell them on Amazon. They're going for about 20 bucks right now. So I want to remove this clearance sticker so people don't know that I paid, $7 for this. So the easiest way that I do it is this. I use the rubbing alcohol. I just got this at Albertsons. You can use pretty much any kind of alcohol. I've seen some people use vodka if you want to waste vodka to do it, but pretty much any kind of alcohol will work. What I do is I open the cap and I take a cotton ball and I just douse the cotton ball with a little bit of the rubbing alcohol. And then I'll use the cotton ball and just place it on here and dab it until it's completely covered in the alcohol. And then I'll wait about 15 to 30 seconds and you'll be able to scrape it off very easily. The adhesive gets kind of nullified by the alcohol. So that's the easiest way you can do that. Again, you can use any type of alcohol. And that method will work on any type of plastic or wood or ceramic. However, there is one issue. If you have a book, like a paperback, this has a paperback covering. Now, if you have a book that's like, say, a school book and it has a laminated covering, if it's laminated, you can use the same alcoholic method I just talked about. But if it is paperback, you don't want to use alcohol on this paperback book. So what you do for a paperback book, if there is a sticker on here, I don't actually have any paperback books on me at the time that have stickers, so I can't actually demonstrate this. But if this paperback had a sticker on it, I use my hairdryer right here. I turn on the hairdryer and I just briefly go around it. You don't want to like aim it right at it, but you just briefly circle around it for about 15 to 30 seconds, maybe 45, to heat up the sticker. And then once the sticker gets heated up, you'll be able to peel that off really easily. So that's what you have to do with a paperback, it has a paperback sleeve on it. But for most books that are laminated, you can use the alcoholic method. So now I'm actually going to show me actually doing the alcoholic method for you. Okay, so we're going to use the rubbing alcohol to get this sticker off of this Coca-Cola White Castle mug that we bought. So we'll just go ahead and take our rubbing alcohol. We'll take a cotton ball. Let's use a different cotton ball. Use this cotton ball, and then we'll just dab it a few times in the alcohol. And you can see we just rub the outside of the sticker. Just make sure the whole thing is coated in the alcohol. And you can see it'll come up a little bit, but it's just taking the sticker off. It's not harming the glass at all. It also kind of smells a little bit. But yeah, just make sure it's nice and coated. You can even do like a double dab. Whoops. Okay, so let's try and get this off now. Should come off pretty easily. I think it needs a little bit more. There you go. And then there's a little bit left, so we'll just run it over one more time. Get any of that last bit off. Dry it off. And there you go. Remove the sticker completely. There's now no residue at all on this glass. Completely removed it. So there you go. That is the alcohol removal method. Remember, just dab it briefly, wait about 15-30 seconds, and then you should be able to peel it off. Very simple. Again, for something that's covered in paper, you want to use the hairdryer method as opposed to the alcohol method, but that is how you do that. Thanks for watching, everyone, and be sure and tune in for more great videos as well.